everyone, so your Alice is here with another very amazing and profitable project. So guys, as I always say, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon button for further upcoming notification and amazing videos on my YouTube channel. So today I am reviewing a platform that I have personally tested and it's honestly blown me away. So I am introducing you Ecstasy as a modern user-first platform or for buying, trading and spending digital assets. So let's dive into. So today I will review about the Ecstasy. Here you can look at it. It's a new gen digital asset exchange focused on real rewards, ease of use and powerful tools. Global first approach designed for anyone, anywhere, real-time cashback, seamless trading, and sleek UI. They have been gaining traction for being feature-rich yet initiatives. So guys, let's check out their website, and here is the exchange, expand and engage. You can swap, buy, sell and trade crypto assets effortlessly with our transparent, user-friendly platform. You can enjoy seamless transaction, real-time data, and you can make informed decision making. So you can swap now and you can open your account and you can also sign up. So redefine your crypto experience with our limitless Web 3.0 solution. Effortlessly buy, sell and swap cryptocurrencies with our user-friendly platform offering fast transaction and non-custodial security. So lowest transaction fee, which is 0.10%, 5 million plus Ecstasy users worldwide and 12 billion plus assets managements. 450 plus supported cryptocurrencies, and here you can swap crypto, you can buy and sell crypto. So here how you can swap by Ethereum using BTC. Here you can swap. Certified by experts, loved by users. So what makes Ecstasy stand out? Because its sign-up rate is 98%, it satisfies clients are 100k, and average exchange time is 8 minutes. We are passionate about delivering exceptional value to the users by combining cutting-edge technology with customer-first service. We create a platform where innovation and success cover. So here, trade smarter, not harder. Experience ultra low fees, lightning fast transaction, robust APIs and advanced feature designed for seamless tradings. It is as simple as 1, 2, 3. So your simple guide to navigating our platform and making the most of its features. Here are select your currency. You have to browse through the major cryptocurrency and you can choose that suits your needs. And step 2 is about deposit fund. You have to deposit, and in the third step you will receive your crypto and you can swap cryptocurrency to the most favorable rate. You can maximize your earning with Ecstasy Elite. Sign up for free account to unlock exclusive benefits, enhance your trading experiences and optimize your returns, all while keeping your funds secure and under your control. So there is cashback via swap. So these are their features. You can cashback, P2P trading, spot and future trading. So you can cashback via swap, rewards users percentage of fees on each token swap, credit directly to their account. P2P trading enables direct buying and selling of assets between users. Unlimited spot and futures trading with no volume or contract limits, unlocking flexible strategies and greater market opportunities. So here you can, we welcome you to the Ecstasy Crypto Swap. Here is all the methods are described. You can hear here. So here is a simplify your spending with Ecstasy virtual card, instant transaction, fund your card with crypto, Apple Pay, Google Pay, accepted worldwide, multiple virtual cards available, no hidden fees. So these are their upcoming features. So you can get the instant transactions, fund your card, you can use Apple Pay and you can use the Google Pay, no hidden fees, multiple virtual cards available. So guys, these are the upcoming features, and here you can check out, you can try your luck because their raffle is currently under development and will be available on the ecstasy. And here you can check out much more. You can discover seamless P2P trading, global access to diverse trading opportunities, and you can discover our extensive selection of spotted cryptocurrencies. Here are much more about on the ecstasy platform. You can check out, and you can also partners with us, and you can let's grow together. So guys, I have tried it out personally, and here's why I like it, because it's a trusted platform. Worldwide users are huge, as you can check out on their website. You can drive growth with crypto swaps and unlock steady profits. So it's a trust, ease of onboarding, and global accessibility for anyone looking for all-in-one platform. Ecstasy is working out. I invite my all crypto family, my crypto enthusiasts, to join this amazing platform and explore Ecstasy. Check it out, test it for yourself as I test it for myself, and let me know what you think in the comments. So guys, this is about Ecstasy, and I will place all the official link in my description. You can copy from there and you can be the part of this big revolution. So guys, let me know about your comments in my comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.